If you need to, here's how to cut a slab with the slab cutter. Put the purple bar on the top, make sure that part's vertical, and then push away with one hand while you drag it towards yourself with the other, and there you go, there's your slab. So now, here's how you make a bowl. Put it on your canvas placemat with your rolling pin, start in the center, press down and away from you, make sure you don't go off the edges, and spin it around. Remember, you want a slab that is about the thickness of the tip of your pinky. You don't want it too thick, you don't want it too thin. And it's gonna be pretty big and you're gonna need to keep it even all the way around. But again, don't go off the edges and test it to make sure it's about the thickness of the tip of your pinky. Smooth it out as best you can. Take your template, open up one leg of your paper clip. That's what you're gonna cut the clay with. And just put it down through the clay and trace around your template all the way around. Take your extra clay and immediately wedge your scraps together. Remove your template. Now, without getting fingerprints all over this, here's what you do. Put 2 paper towels overlapping inside your bowl. Press down to make sure that they go off the edges. Very important. Flip your slab over, peel the canvas off, and do your best to center it. Feel underneath to see if it's evenly spaced. Move it if you need to. Now, with one hand, press down in the center gently while you sort of lift the edge up and go around. And you really need to press it down into the bowl, all the way down. What might help is if you get a sponge, get it wet in a cup of water, squeeze it out, use the sponge to press it in. But be gentle. Don't tear your clay. You don't want a hole in the bottom of your clay. That would be bad. All right, but really use the sponge to smooth it down. Now, you're gonna have extra. Do not wrap it under the edge. Take your paper clip, pull it in towards the center, and then carefully draw around the edge to cut off the excess clay. Sometimes the paper towel can kind of get in the way here, which is kind of a pain. But go all the way around, again, wedge up your scraps, put them back. Last step, rinse and squeeze your sponge and smooth the edges. And there you go. You've got a bowl, ready for decorating next time.